Before you throw away that old packaging, stop. Hi, welcome back to St Blazey Model World. I'm Roger. In this day and age, we're trying to think more economically, and here I've got two examples of packaging that might otherwise have been discarded. But what can we do with them? Well, firstly, here we have some cardboard from a delivery. It's actually a cardboard envelope. What can we do with this? Well, it's already had one use, and as I turn it over, you can see that it's been the base of something that's been sprayed in primer to protect the surrounding area from overspray. What else can we do with it? Is it the end of this product? Certainly not, because here we have a decent sized piece of cardboard. It's of decent thickness and there's quite a lot of it, and that means that it's ideal starting point for scratch building our model railway diorama structures. Now, the second item we have is a piece of cellophane, and I hope that you can see it on the camera here. It's not very big, barely 2 inches square, but it is in good condition, and this will make ideal replacement glazing. This particular piece is going to end up inside this item here, which is the focus of our next project on building and modifying model structures and kits. And that about wraps this one up. There we have it. Get with the program, people. Rethink, repurpose, reuse, recycle. Don't be tempted to throw away something that we may be able to put to a further use to reduce our costs. That's it for this one. Look forward to seeing you next time on Stay Safe. Bye for now.